During this video, we are going to talk about Schoology groups. I can access this group in the blue toolbar, and you'll see these are groups that I am a member of. I can click on my groups, and you will see this is very similar to the courses Outlook, where I can join a group or create a group or reorder them if I have a lot, and look at my current and archived. These are my groups, but there's also might be groups that my school has created that I'm a member of, or public groups. Public groups are created by Schoology, and you can look through these and see which one would be beneficial to you as a Schoology user, perhaps maybe the Schoology educators. So I'm going to go to my groups, and I'm going to create a group. And I can select the privacy level. Right now, I'm going to say no one just because this is a test. Invite only, and then the category could be a lot of different things. People use groups for after school clubs, sporting teams. I've seen many districts use groups throughout the grade bands to create common resources. So you can look at what category fits well and name it that. So this is my group. Again, just like with courses, I can edit the picture, and I do have some group options. I can create a discussion. So you'll look, this is left-hand menu is very different. So I can create a discussion, I can create an album, or I can add resources. What I have seen many teachers do is in the resources, they will add perhaps an assessment template. So you'll see these are templates. And then you have different ways to add different resources like files and links, but like your discussions, your assessments and assignments are all templates. What that means is you are creating this resource, but people are not going to interact with this assessment in this group. I am then going to copy that assessment to a course. So if I add that, let me try, let me do something a little quicker. Let's do an assignment. So if I create this assignment, this could be my civil war and I can add my directions, and I can add all the information that I need in here, as well as attach any needed resources. I could add a rubric if I wanted to. I could align it to learning objectives. And then I can add resource notes and grade level, resource type. This is an activity. I can add different subjects for it. And again, I can align it to the learning objectives. I just clicked on that little additional information. So what's nice about this is that I can work with my grade band or my other teachers in my building to create common assessments, common assignments, discussions that we can then pull into our Schoology classrooms. So I created this, and what teachers can do is I can share this to public resources if I wanted to. Obviously, this one isn't complete, so I wouldn't, but that's how people share things through their common resources, or the public resources, sorry. And as a teacher, anybody within this group that I make an administrator, they can add these resources to their courses. So it's a great way to work together and have that commonality with your assessments, assignments, and discussions so that you're ensuring that your students are learning the same resources and same ideas. And then you can add items, add to an item bank, files, links, a page, and all of these resources can then be pulled from this group into another course. And even the question bank, so for assessment questions and things like that. So it's really a nice resource. People join just like they would join a course. The one thing to keep in mind is that they have to click on groups and then join group to put this code in instead of the courses join course. I can add updates, discussions, and images in my albums. That's about all I can do like for participants. So if I was using this for a club, I would have these opportunities to communicate to my club members this way, or maybe my track team, things like that. So groups are great for after school clubs, sporting teams. And then for teachers to work together to create common assessments. Many times I've seen principals create groups and have these common resources all within one group. So maybe they're not creating grade bands, but they're creating groups. So if I wanted to, I could create a folder that says, you know, second grade math. And then I can add common resources into that folder. So it could be a building level or a grade band level or content level type of resource. So just thinking about those type of things when you're using groups, but it's a great way to have people work together or to share information with your clubs or sporting teams. And that's it for groups.